Where are we going?
To California.
California. Non-YouTuber people are staring at me like, get this guy, get him in the car, let's go. This is our California adventure. We grabbed an Uber and we're headed to MCO, Orlando International Airport, to head out on our 7-day vacation. Come along and enjoy with us the great wonders of California.
Hold on to handrails. The doors are now closing.
So we made it through the TSA checkpoint. We're on the tram over to our terminal. Corridor here for our flight.
Let us know if there's anything we can do. Dial now for a final safety check. We appreciate it. Where are we at?
Miami.
Miami. We're waiting to get on our plane here in a few. We just got off.
Are we getting Wendy's or Chick-fil-A?
I don't know. Have to see what's in here.
We made it to Miami. Found a Chick-fil-A. We're gonna get some Chick-fil-A and wait for our next flight to LAX. Where are we going next?
To California.
California, LAX. Our plane's not here yet. It will be here around 2 something and we get on it around 3 something. So our flight coming down here was pretty quick. It was only an hour from MCO down here to Miami. That was pretty fast, pretty easy. Our next one's gonna be close to about 6 hours. That's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. 6 hours, one flight. I have to take several naps. We just got done eating at Chick-fil-A. Now we're heading back to the terminal. We are at the D terminal. We're looking for gate D30. What?
There's 3 advertisements on 3 different windows.
There's all the planes out the window. Check it out. This is our gate D30. So we're going to be trying to board here at D30. On our flight, ready to go. Mommy looks like she's watching nothing. Starting to come down now. We made it to LAX.
Hello. We made it. Finally here.
Long flight, we got here. We're waiting on our ride out here at LAX. We made it to the house. This is our first day on our trip. It was a long plane ride for us and the kids and everything. We did get to go eat at In-N-Out. Got back to the house and they're now in the hot tub and some of us are just chilling. That's it for now.